Hey, yo, what up, famous?
I'm over here.
Big up me G's them. Big up me G's them.
It's all about famous.
FamousSosick. Hey, Sean, is that's me representing for Famous.
Ding Dang Ravens represent for FamousSosick. Big up yourself, yo.
Come back and watch a vlog right now.
People, check them out now. And the maddest people, them. Mad. Yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, right about now, remember it is Thursday. So, you don't know, says Reaction Thursday. The last time I do a reaction video to... what did I do it to? I think it called... Me sick, by the way, me sick, so I'm not gonna hear me stuffy. I'm not gonna hear me. Me react to prison food around the world, and I think this is what this called. Damn, it even let me see. It called lunch. I think lunch, school lunch around the world, or something like that, or along the line there. So we are gonna pre that today and see what different type of food them consume around the world at different school. You know, when me used to go, everybody knows me come from Portland. When me used to go Comprick, I used to go Port Antonio High School. Me left in a 9th grade. Me left the start in a 9th grade. What me used to eat? Me used to consume patty special from Miss Joy. A woman named Miss Joy. I think she named Miss Joy. She's selling us some stall where they in a Comprick where they in the school. Or Miss Joy, they cross the road. Me no remember. Me used to go across the road, go buy lunch, cause JPS the right here, so we used to go one place right here, so go buy food. But them have some stall where they in high school, me used to buy patty special. Everybody think it disgusting and nasty. Until this day, me cannot eat a patty without mayonnaise in the patty. Me can't do it. When me I eat patty, mayonnaise have it in the patty. When me I eat pizza, mayonnaise have it on the pizza. When me I eat fries, me have to eat the fries with mayonnaise. Patty special. Well, the people are going to know patty special and pizza special with mayonnaise. But that me used to consume for my lunch and a guzzler. A guzzler I used to name. Remember me all, you know, them time there a guzzler used to run the place, you know. Well, me no all, but me all. So yeah, me record that now. So we just go jump right into the video and see what I go on. When me used to go high school up here, them serve sometimes fried chicken, French fry, chicken nugget, burger. We could have buy wrap. But mostly, we used to just order Chinese food and make them sneak it in the school. And we order pizza and make them sneak it in the school. We never used to really consume school lunch. Alright, let me see what I go on with this. Let me see what I go on with this, you know.
Whether carrying a brown bag from home, picking up a tray from the lunch person, or serving up the food themselves, lunchtime at school can be one of the most important parts of a child's day. Let's take a look at what kids around the world eat for lunch.
School lunch around the world.
French students can expect up to a 4-course meal at lunch.
So now going over France there. 4-course meal. What a zucchini and tomato.
Begin with a salad of fresh veg, followed by quality protein like salmon with a side of...
Mother do school every day. Mother go school every day. Salmon and broccoli after.
broccoli. They wouldn't be French without a course of soft cheeses, jam, and fresh bread.
Wanna sure our school
And
is?
kids finish with a sweet confection like marzipan before heading back to class.
You cannot learn pan a hungry belly. But you cannot learn pan a full belly. You're going to class tired and just sluggish and want to sleep. What do they call it? Something that going to lick you down, niggeritis.
Japan, kids aren't served healthy meals.
Japan, sushi this, rice, seaweed, so little something, salmon. I don't know what they little something there.
To teach healthy cooking, kids take turns helping to cook, serve, and clean up for their peers. Meals are heavy on rice, vegetables, and fish. Students in Nigeria are fed...
Nigeria, rice. Every pitney I eat. Too much rice not good for kids, you know. Rice make you want to sleep.
Balanced meals each day. Meals could include smoky, tomatoey jollof rice with chicken and steamed veg.
It's bad.
Finland was the first country in the world.
Finland, that that look like wedges, though. That look like potato wedges.
Provide free lunch to every student, and the law ensures high nutrition standards.
Oh, that beetroot? That look like cut up beetroot or a liver. A liver that? That look like seaweed and liver. Or a beetroot and liver. Them can't serve repeating them beetroot. Oh, what that?
Veggies like beetroot salad and
A beetroot! How me know it's a beetroot? It look like beetroot. Me hate beetroot. Me hate beetroot. I would have never go to school. I would have never go.
turnips take up at least half the plate. Starches and grains such as a crepe topped with slightly tart lingonberry jam take up 1/4, and a protein such as haranuko, a split pea soup topped with smoked ham,
Split pea soup bad still and I ain't gonna lie. But I probably go school sometime.
makes up the other. Crisp bread is served on the side. In South Korea, students eat off steel trays sectioned out for perfect portion sizes. The bigger section is for rice, the circle holds soup, and the smaller portions are for tangy, spicy kimchi.
This look like a nice school lunch. You get a warm soup, bust off like a gas off of your stomach, little rice, little broccoli, little of this, little of that. This is a nice lunch. South Korea is a nice place. Mother go to school at South Korea.
Some veggies, and meat like marinated strips of pork shoulder called jeukbokgung.
Pork shoulder. A pig gonna feed the pitney them.
With a large Orthodox population in Ethiopia, meals are largely plant-based. An array of foods like spicy lentils, zucchini,
Yo, lentils. Me have one bag of lentils when me want to go cook, you know. Me I go cook you one of them there.
meal split pea soup called
Quinoa.
kolicha are eaten with injera, a
Me no know. Me not too.
fermented flatbread. Thanks to the island's burgeoning farm-to-school
Oh, why? Rice and what that look like some mix up, chop, mix up with chicken breast and string beans, carrot and all of them niceness. Would I go to school in Hawaii?
program, kids in Hawaii can
Yo, they milk their body, you know. Me don't know if you never drink the brand of milk there. But they milk their body, so when my little niece there, it's when my niece they always get the milk there. Me always teeth them out.
meals made from scratch with local fresh ingredients, such as a chicken stir-fry with veggies, fresh baked bread on the side. Ukrainian kids get their lunch in 3 courses.
Ukraine.
First, a soup course such as borscht,
That look like pea soup without the peas.
a hearty beef-based soup with cabbage and red beets to give it a vibrant color.
I be a beets and I serve a pitney them red beets. Beef and beets. Beef and beets for make soup.
Followed by meat and starch like grilled sausages with potato and cheese
Pot
stuffed dumplings
sticker.
called vareniki. They finish sweet with a shortbread biscuit.
3
A lunch
course.
tray in the U.S. could include a gooey
US. Only no bother with the lie, you know. Cause that right there say show me grilled cheese with sitting.
cheese on crunchy whole grain
This a lie. Which US school is? Private school.
bread with creamy tomato soup, carrot sticks, fruit like a box of raisins and an apple, and a brownie for dessert before heading back to class.
Brownie. Raisins. This is no US breakfast or lunch or nothing. This, the milk and below and any apple.
Italian students run to the cafeteria to receive a 2-course meal, and if these kids reside in Rome, the meal must by law be 70% organic. Primo is the pasta course, while protein and a veg
So far, Italy are the place where mother go school. Grapes? Wow.
grilled chicken with a tasty mozzarella and tomato salad is served for secondo. According to the World Food Program, Thai students receive the most nutritional lunches in all of Asia. Kids can expect a balanced meal like grilled chicken,
Oh, you go eat rice. A pasta that? A pasta that, right? You can eat rice and pasta.
rice, and an antioxidant-packed spicy sweet green papaya salad.
What is?
Families in China pay a monthly fee of about 70 cents per day for children to receive a box lunch. Inside
That look like rice, ham, and mushroom. Rice, ham, and mushroom. Me not go to school. I'm not going to school.
find rice, meat, and vegetables. Food is a constitutional right
Brazil, this look like a egg hamlet.
in Brazil, which means schools are required
What that, rice and peas? Rice and peas and hamlet? What rice and peas that?
to provide students with healthy meals with 30% of ingredients sourced from local farmers. Kitchen staff cooks fresh foods like frittatas loaded with veggies, paired with hearty rice and beans,
Rice and peas.
and a piece of fruit. Kids in India
No,
show
that
up to
go for
school
rice
with a
and
tiffin
peas.
box, a stackable metal container filled with a home-cooked meal. What's inside depends on the region. Northern
Oh, India no serve food at school. You have to go with your...
Indian kids might enjoy parathas, seasoned flaky bread accompanied with bundi raita, crispy gram flour balls floating in a sea of spiced yogurt.
Think mother go to school at India. India have a buzz.
Kids in Guatemala go home for lunch, where they'll
Kids in Guatemala go home for lunch. So you can't know where they might eat. They eat whatever down in yard. Oh, who not gonna show me this? And this no cook at in school. Whatever down the yard, you not gonna eat. So this...
dishes like pasta in a tomato sauce with beets and tortillas.
Me I miss out. Alright, people, answer me honestly. Me I miss out when it come to beets? Is beets that good for them to serve? Cause kids not like... Me hate beets.
With classes 6 days a week, school in Israel finishes before lunchtime, but kids do bring a shot isser.
School in Israel finish before lunchtime. Me now go to school in Israel if they must serve boiled egg for lunch. Boiled egg for lunch? When a man eat all 6 boiled egg and say gas mask, the whole class have to clear out in a man.
Morning meal, which could be a small snack like pita with hummus and a hard-boiled egg. Kids in Trinidad and Tobago might
Trinidad, what that, oxtail? I saw not going to Trinidad? Oxtail that?
serve rich and gelatinous oxtail stew for lunch paired with bussap, soft and flaky.
Bus up? Oxtail and bus up? I saw not going to Trinidad? Yo, I hope me have Jamaica on this for sure where they might eat at Jamaica. KFC, patty, pizza. I don't know where else not eat at Jamaica. But Trinidad are going bad man, bus up and oxtail. Whew.
Dreads of roti.
And roti. Whew. Would I go to school at Trinidad?
Students in Hong Kong can expect a veggie like steamed broccoli alongside wok fried pork slices and white rice.
No gravy, nothing. That just look like a choke. I don't go to Hong Kong school, none.
A kid in the UK might be served baked cod fingers with a hot jack of potato, a heaping side of beans, and a handful of chocolate biscuits for dessert.
Me not lie. The England food I look like prison food. Bean, potato, prison food. I don't go to school in England.
In Mexico, instead of a meal, kids might bring along a morning snack such as a torta, layered with spicy bean dip, sliced ham, tomato, and fresh, crisp lettuce.
Me not eat that.
Australian kids eat lunch outside, bringing food from home or buying meals from a cafeteria or street vendor. Food can include classic takeaway comforts like a sausage roll, pork sausage wrapped snugly in puff pastry, with a couple sweet chocolate biscuits called Tim Tams for dessert.
Me not go to school in Australia neither.
Norwegian schools don't have cafeterias, so kids bring a light lunch from home, which could include an open-faced sandwich with liverwurst, a sausage of pork liver blended with...
You see them school are not bad when you bring your own food from home. That not bad. Cause you can bring anything where you feel for bring. You know what I mean? So, would have got them school, yeah.
Old spices like cardamom, coriander, and mace. The meat's texture is almost spreadable, close to pate, and is accompanied by toppings like mustard and cheese. Milk and fresh fruit is provided by the school. Although students bring a home-cooked lunch daily,
Pakistan.
teachers in Pakistan are known to contact parents if meals don't err on the healthy side. Kids might bring a lugosht, a stew of lamb and potatoes paired with roti and a sweet and...
Would I go to school in Pakistan? Ain't gonna lie.
mango lassi in the summer.
Mango lassi? I don't know what that is, but it look nice. Woo!
So, which type of school lunch do you want to try? Are there any we missed? Let us know in the comments below.
Right now, me hungry. Ain't gonna lie. So, alright, the video done. I guess I eat that when me stop the video. The video done, so I just want to say blessings and respect for everybody who followed out and support. Yes, and next Thursday reaction video, you know what I mean? Remember, me do this each and every Thursday when I get a reaction video. So, blessings and respect for everybody who followed and support this. Comment below what you eat for lunch. If you don't go to school right now, what you normally eat for school lunch. Some of you know, like me. So back in the days when you used to go to school, back in the days when you used to eat for school lunch. You know what I mean? When we used to go primary school, sometimes we used to eat for school lunch was when Nuchi Bulla truck come. Me used to buy Bulla or me buy, what next one name? Bun. Bulla or bun. Strictly pink milk, no white milk. Sometimes they bring back juice. When they bring back juice, a riot. Me want that front. You know what I mean? Me used to consume that for lunch. So yeah, comment below what you consume for lunch when you used to go to school. Or if you still go to school, what you eat for lunch. So blessings and respect. Manners.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in at the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Hope it